So dear friends, if you want to increase or decrease your video speed, then keep watching this video till the end. The video is playing in normal speed, okay? Now to increase or decrease the video speed, first you gotta click on the video clip like this. Now look at the right side options, here is the speed tool. Just click on it. Now you see two speed bars here. First, you get some options here, 1x, 2x, 4x like this, okay? So if you want to increase your video speed directly to 2x, then just click on 2x. And now your video is 2x faster. But if you want to increase your video speed between 1 and 2x, 1.5x, then you gotta select the number in the second bar. You can manually adjust the speed like this. Now to decrease the video speed, go to the left side of one like this. 0.5, 0.125 like this. And remember one thing, when you increase or decrease your video speed, you gotta do one more important settings here. Now when you increase or decrease your video speed, you get two more options here. Turn on the last option, okay? So this is how you can make your video faster and slower. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative Kinemaster tutorial, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.